ating event, pupunta na tayo dun sa pinaka-aantay natin, ang pagpa-party. Ayan. So, ready na po ba ang ating dinner? Okay. So, and of course, kanina pa tayo partner dito. Pwede pong pahinaan ng konti. And kanina pa tayo partner dito, hindi pa tayo nagpapakilala. So, 6:30 daw mag-start yung pinaka-dinner natin. And of course, may maghahandog sa atin ng mga songs. Pwede rin tayong mag-request ng song. Ano kaya?
So, pwede din kung gusto nila. Sila yung kakanta.
Ano? Of course, hindi lang about procurement yung kaya natin gawin. Tayo din ay mga artists. Okay, 5:45 yung dinner time. So, habang inaantay natin, hindi pa tayo nagpapakilala eh. Ano, mamaya na pala tayo magpakilala. Ayan. So, ano muna tayo? Punta muna tayo. May maghahandog muna tayo ng song. Feeling ko ready na ang ating mga artists, ang ating mga singer. Ano? So, sisimulan ng isa sa pinaka-dalubhasa.
Grabe. Alam mo yung tindig pa lang.
Tindig pa lang. Yung sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya ng pagkanta. 1901. Ayan. So, of course, let's welcome Tito Ricky. Palakpakan po natin siya.
Alright, so once again, thank you so much for having us here. And of course, to our very beloved Chairman, President of CCWI, Honorable Dr. Carlo M. Batal. And of course, we'd like to acknowledge also Yusek Ocampo. Ayan, happy birthday po pala, belated. Ayan guys, sa mga darating na birthday nyo dyan, palagi ko po kayong, bibigyan ko po kayo ng tribute birthday, 1 hour show, i-add nyo lang ako sa Facebook. Pag birthday nyo, ayan, sabihin nyo, kantahan nyo naman ako. Kinantahan ko na po si Sir Yusek Walter. Kailan nga Yusek, birthday mo? O yan, December 6. Okay. So guys, thank you so much, and of course, I would like to take this opportunity po to thank Sir Carlo Batali for always supporting us, talents, and of course, our new breed here. Ayan, may aabangan tayo sa Bataya Cares and CCWI na mga bagong talents and host, magagaling na host po natin. Okay? Alright, so this time I'd like to sing a favorite song of our beloved President, Dr. Carlo M. Batalla. It's a track of birthday hits. And this is for you, Sir Carlo. Once again, my name is Ricky. Fell in love with you, watching Casablanca. Backwater driving show with the flickering lights. Morning goats beneath the stars became champagne and caviar, making love on a long hot summer's night. Hey, I thought you fell in love with me watching Casablanca. Holding hands in a part of fans in the rings that let the fade. Hiding in the shadows from the stars, rocking moonlight in your arms, making magic at the moves in my your Chevrolet. Oh, a kiss is still a kiss, cause I'm not please come back to me because of love. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. Once again, palakpakan United Nation. Bihira lang po sa mga organization na nakakapasok sa United Nation, and one of it is CCWI. Sa mga kasama kaya lumipad from Cebu, Davao, Pagalian, sino ba yan dyan? Okay, yan. Napakita ang lakas ng ilang ito. And our sister members of our beloved President, Carlo M. Batalla. There's so many broken hearts because of Lanka. You know I've never been really there, so I don't know why. I guess the love story will never be seen on a big white silver screen, but it hurt just as bad when I had to watch you go. Oh, a kiss is still a kiss because of Blanca, but a kiss is not a kiss without your smile. Please come back to me because of Blanca's feeling. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. Oh, a kiss is still a kiss because of Blanca, but a kiss is not a kiss without your smile. Please come back to me because of Blanca. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. Walang pak naman kayo dyan, CCWI members. Kaya nga, gutom na ka. Di ba? Alright, thank you so much once again for having us here. Okay, so let's start guys and give you another song, and of course, I would like to take this opportunity that on December 31 po, mamimigay po ang aming grupo ng fruits for the less fortunate families and homeless families in Metro Manila. So, ibig sabihin po, ang inikot po ang grupo namin from Manila City until Taguig. So, yung po mga homeless, bibigyan po natin ng fruits. And I would like to take this opportunity to ask permission to the President of the CWI. Dahil po sa pagmamahal nyo sa aming mga talent, we're giving back. Kumbaga kami naman po, anong bibigay sa inyo, taking, kumbaga gagamitin namin yung CCWI yung ilalagay namin sa logo na kayo po ay kasama namin sa pamimigay ng putas. Okay ba yun, sir? Yan.